Welcome back guys, welcome back to Crown Geek. So in this video, I will be sharing the easiest way to fix any kind of Windows update problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So if you have any kind of problem updating Windows, you are getting update failed or any kind of error message that something went wrong or anything, then check this method because you don't have to manually do anything, and I will be sharing a batch file that is totally safe, tested, and I will show you that how exactly it works, and it will do all the work for you by making few clicks. So first you need to come to this website of GitHub, and here we will be using the reset Windows update tool that is created by Manuel Gill, and it's been also uploaded on Microsoft website and even on the GitHub website. So it's totally safe. Now once you come up here, you have to click on this code button in a green color, click on the drop down, then click on download zip. Once it will be downloaded in a zip file. So click the folder, right click on the zip file, then click on extract all, choose the location wherever you want to extract, then click on extract. Once extracted, you will be getting this kind of folder, double click on it. And now here you will be getting a file by the name WU reset. It's a Windows batch file and it will do all the work for you. So make a right click on it, choose run as administrator, click on more info, then click on run anyway, click on yes, and this kind of page will now be coming up. Now once you come up here, you have to press the Y key in order to continue. So press the Y key from your keyboard, and now you will get the list of all the work that you can perform using this batch file. So on the very top you get the open the system protection. So in case if you want to take the restore point from your keyboard, press the 1 key, hit the enter key. This kind of box will be coming up. Now here you can click on create and type the name of the restore point, then click on create. So what will exactly happen? So in future, if you want to revert the action, so as you have created a restore point, you can quickly restore it back. Okay, so it's all up to you. If you want to take, you can take it. I will not. I will close it. Now the next option that we get, it says reset the Windows update components. So press the number 2 key from your keyboard, hit the enter key, and it says the Windows update service is stopping. It will bring up the Windows setting, close it. And once it will be done, it says the operation completed successfully. So now you can close it. Again, bring that file, make a right click on it, choose run as administrator, click on yes. And the next one that we have is the delete the temporary file in Windows. So press the number 3 key, hit the enter key, and all the temporary file that probably creating a problem will be cleared out. Now it says press any key to continue. So press the key. And now the next option that we have, open the Internet Explorer options. So press the 4 combo key, hit the enter key. The internet properties will be up. Now here in the browsing history, click on the delete option. Keep all the options checked, uncheck form data and password, then click on delete. Then from the top menu option only, click on security, then click on reset all zone to default level. Then from the top menu option only, click on content, click on clear SSL state, click on OK, then click on connections, click on LAN settings, and make sure that automatically detect setting is only been enabled and the proxy server has not been enabled here. So this setting should be like this as it's looking on your screen. And if there is any kind of difference, then you have to change it and make this automatically detect setting only checked. Click on OK. Now from the top menu option only, click on advanced, click on restore advanced settings, click on apply, click on OK. Now once you are done, we have to go with the next step. So click on the number 5 so that it can run CHK disk on the Windows partition. So press the number 5 key, this time from your keyboard, hit the enter key. Now this will be checking all the system file. And it says CHK disk cannot run because this volume is used by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time? So let's say if you also get the same message, then you have to press the Y key, and the next time when you restart the computer, it will be automatically checking your Windows partition. So press the Y key, then hit the enter key. Again press any key, and then we can go with the next step that says scan the image for component store corruption. So press the number 7 key, hit the enter. And again wait until it's all been done as it's deploying the image services and management tool. All right, so this has been completed now and it will take some time, so kindly wait. And once it's been done, press any key again. And the next one that we have, check whether the image has been flagged as corrupted. So I will just press that number 8 key, then hit the enter. Again, press any key. And it's been done. Now the next one that we have is perform repair operation automatically. So I will press the number 9 key. And again, it will start managing everything. So you will have to wait. Okay, so the only thing that is you have to do, you need to sit and just press the Y key and select the options. That's it. So similarly, once you are completed with all these steps here, then finally make a restart. And after that, you will find that your Windows update issues has been fixed. I have already tested this on my multiple computer, even recommended to many people. They tested and it worked for them. That is the reason I'm also sharing with you. And you can read here, it says deletes any incorrect registry values, repair reset WinSock setting, forces group policy update, reset the Windows Store, find the Windows product key, explore the other local solutions, download the diagnostic tool, restart your PC. And once you will be all done with all these 19 steps, finally it will ask you to press the 20 key 20 to restart your PC. Okay, so this is how exactly it works and perform all the action for you, all the possible solution in order to fix the Windows update problem. Hopefully this will work for you guys as well. And if it works, kindly let me know in the comment section. And do not forget to like and subscribe. And I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.